Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students. How are you all? Welcome back again in online classes. And I'm your and chemistry teacher for Ishfaq. And our today's topic is about periodic table, modern periodic table, and long form of modern periodic table from Unit 3, page 46. So let's start without any delay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And our first topic is periodic law, and from this paragraph we will mark MCQs. In 1930, H. Moseley discovered a new property of the elements in atomic number, and as we know that, as we previously discussed, that Lubinier, Newland, and Mendeleev arranged the elements according to the atomic masses on the basis of atomic mass. But the modern periodic table was based upon the atomic number, and it was discovered later. That's why when it discovered, scientists arranged the elements according to atomic number, and the modern periodic table law, which was based upon the atomic number, is that properties of the elements in one this is the definition of periodic law. Properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number, and atomic number of an element is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. We know that a neutral atom contains equal number of proton and electron. That's why from the atomic number we can also know about and can determine the atomic number of electron present in an atom of an element. So the short question which is frequently asked: what is the difference between the modern periodic law and Mendeleev periodic law? So the main difference between those two is that modern periodic law is based upon atomic number, but Mendeleev periodic law was based upon atomic mass, because atomic number was not discovered at that time. And next short question rule: why atomic number is more fundamental property than an atomic mass? So the answer is here: atomic number of element is more fundamental property than atomic mass. The reason is that because it increases regularly from element to element. What does it mean? Regularly, it means it increases continuously with equal gap, and with the regular gap. And for example, we can see that hydrogen have one atomic number, and after that helium have two atomic number, without any points, without any more difference and more or less difference. It has all the elements which are arranged in a periodic table have continuously increasing atomic number without any irregular gaps between their ratios and with their numbers. For example, hydrogen have 1 and helium have 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. But this is the reason why scientists use atomic number instead of atomic mass. You can see that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.01, while that of helium is 4.0. So the difference between hydrogen and helium atomic mass is not regular, because it is irregular, and it is 4 times more mass of helium than that of hydrogen. And second row, lithium. After that helium, the third element is lithium, which has 6. So difference between hydrogen and helium is 4 number, or difference of mass number in mass. And lithium and helium have a difference of 3 numbers, for 2 numbers, 2.94 numbers. That's why atomic mass is not increasing regularly, but it is increased in irregular form. And the second reason is that why the scientists use atomic number to arrange the elements is that it is fixed for every element. Fixed mean because we can also say that atomic number is the identification number of an element. For example, if we get one atomic number is for hydrogen, and it is fixed for hydrogen. No one and any other element can have the same atomic number as of hydrogen. So it is unique, and it is fixed and specific for us, for an element. So the reason is the other reason is also that because mainly if we know that if we arrange the elements according to their atomic mass, then there will be difficult to arrange isotopes of different elements, because isotopes of elements have different atomic masses but atomic number is same. So atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass for these reasons. Next, third short question, second paragraph of page 46, and short question 3 can be written here. What is the arrangement of elements in modern periodic table? The modern periodic table is based upon the arrangement of elements according to increasing atomic number. When the elements are arranged according to increasing atomic number from left to right in horizontal rows, properties of elements were found repeating after regular intervals, such as the elements of similar properties and similar configuration are placed in the same group. Listen girls, we can what is the name of the periodic table, which is amended from the periodicity? What is the periodicity? Periodicity is the repetition of properties after regular intervals. It means that if we will arrange the elements according to increasing atomic number after regular interval, the properties which have same the properties of elements with same properties will come to under one group. For example, hydrogen and helium. After hydrogen and helium, the third element is lithium, which have the similar property with hydrogen, and it has also have similar electronic configuration, outer shell electronic configuration. All the elements in group 1 have one electron in their outer shell, and in second group all the elements have two electrons in their outer shell. That's why they show similar chemical properties. So when we arrange the elements according to increasing atomic number after regular interval, for example, the gap between the first period and second period is of two elements, and between 3 and 4 fourth period, lithium and beryllium boron carbon, the difference between the elements and repetition of properties of the elements occur after 8 elements, and in the fourth and fifth period, repetition of properties occur after 18 elements, and in 6 and 7 period, because there are 32 elements, so repetition of properties will occur after 32 elements, and this is called the periodicity. And that's why we the arrangement of tables, the name of the periodic table was periodic table, which is amended from periodicity. Or what is a periodicity? Repetition of properties after regular intervals. Intervals mean after regular gap of the elements. For example, first group, after two elements, properties of the after the gap of two elements, properties of the elements will be repeat, and similarly with the second and third group, and fourth and fifth and sixth, seven groups. So properties after regular time interval will be repeat, and the elements with similar properties will be placed in a same group. So this is the arrangement of modern periodic table, and you can see here second paragraph. It was observed that after every 8 element, 9 element had similar properties to the first element. For example, sodium had similar properties to the lithium. You can see here 3 in the second row. 3 lithium has 3 atomic number, and this second period contain 8 element, and after 8 element, yani it's mean after neon, the second after neon, sodium have similar chemical properties with the lithium. So after atomic number 18, every 19 element was showing that, because for third Fourth and fifth period contain 8 elements, so repetition of properties will occur after 18 elements. And similarly with the 6 or 7 group, because they contain 32 elements. After atomic number 18, every 19 element was showing similar properties, similar behavior. So the long rows of elements were cut into rows of 8 and 18 elements and placed one and above the other. So table of vertical and horizontal rows was obtained. Because after that specific time intervals and specific gap of atomic numbers, the elements have similar electronic configuration. That's why according to their outer shell electronic configuration, elements were arranged, and that's why they will, and the periodic table come into the form of rows, horizontal rows, which is called periods, and vertical columns, which is called groups. So this is the long form of the periodic table, in which you can see that for first group contain these elements, 7 elements: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. And francium have atomic mass 223 and lithium have 6, but both have similar electronic configuration and both have one electron in their outer shell. I think it will be clear now. Now we will move to the long question 7, page 47, long form of periodic table, and the first heading is significance of atomic number. The significance of atomic number in the arrangement of elements in the periodic table lies in the fact that electronic configuration is based upon atomic number. What does it mean? The number, because we know that atomic number